How to know if someone deactivated your Snapchat? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to tell if someone deactivated or deleted their Snapchat account. Without further ado, let's get started. Open a Snapchat. Now navigate to the chat tab at bottom left corner of your screen. If you had a conversation with the person and it's now gone, it could mean they have deactivated your account. You can also tap and hold a chat and then select the chat and notification setting, and then you can also try clearing from chat feed to test if a chat disappears. You can even check your friends list. Go to your profile at top left corner of your screen, scroll down towards my friends. Search for the name. If they are missing, they may have deactivated their account or removed you as a friend. You can even use the search icon at top left corner of your screen. Enter the username. If the profile shows up, they likely just remove you. If nothing appears, they may have deactivated or deleted your account. So, if chat has been disappeared, then it is possible deactivations. If they are not in trends list, they may have removed you or deactivated. In case if you can find their username, likely deactivated or deleted their account. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share, and comment. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.